So, back in the garage, doing more work on the power wheel. Doing a front bumper here. Got it mostly tacked together. I gotta add a few more pieces onto it, and then we'll weld her right through. And it'll go right below the actual real bumper. So here's the bumper all welded up. Turned out really good actually. Might end up cutting some vent holes in it because it'll cover up a lot of the rad. But yeah, we're gonna take the exhaust off and fit the body, and then from there we can see where this is going to sit right here. So here's the bumper all complete and braced up and welded. Now I've started trying to put the body back into one piece. Did some plastic welding to that side, and today we're going to join the front. There's like this steel mesh that I melted into it. So we'll try get that done today, and then try and paint it. I think we're gonna go with black. And then that project we found an engine for. Picking that up next week. Just in time for this to be almost wrapped up.
From above, everyday would seem turning into love zone.
That was extremely painful to do. God damn. I'm gonna try and sand it a little bit to try and flatten out those connections. And then we'll strip all the decals off. See if we can get a paint job. Just peeled the stickers off. Did a little test fit of the body. And it looks awesome. Do a little sanding and paint prep and we'll get her all matching and right color. Might do up some windows to put back in there. Probably gonna fill that hole in too. Originally my idea was for the body to sit back further, but it didn't work. So I'm just gonna patch this hole up. So we got all of our decals peeled off. Got our little spot on the windshield patched up. Everything's ready for paint. Now we got paint all done. Put the body back on. Put the grill on. Exhaust is back on. I just did up a quick little engine mount just for a little bit of peace of mind here. I haven't quite decided if I'm gonna paint the windows back on or the taillights either. I don't know, looks kind of sleek without nothing, just all black. Really stoked about how it turned out though. I wish our connections here were a little bit cleaner, but even that took me 4 to 5 hours to do both sides. Just needs the front rims black now. And at some point I gotta paint the front bumper and the rest of the frame. I also gotta make some kind of guard for the rad that's poking out the bottom there. So Had the fuel system, electrical, all kind of tore apart to figure out the fuel relay was toast. So we replaced the relay, put the fuel system all back together, and then I also figured out that our start engine kill and lights grounds on the inside of that whole thing, so I had to weld this bar from there to there that actually fit this inner diameter of the switch case there. So now it works fine. We also grounded our ignition. And then I took it out for a spin and spun that sprocket. So I took that sprocket off and stick welded it back together. And yesterday we also took the engine sprocket off and put on a 11 tooth sprocket for a little more bottom end power, and it is awesome. A lot more torque, and now it's running pretty good. I gotta kind of figure out a better system for this back tensioner, so that's what I'm gonna do next. And same thing for this one here. It's the chain's kind of rubbing on the one bolt there, so that's what we're gonna do. And hopefully after that we're pretty much wrapped up and ready to go.
Strawberry on my lips and chocolate fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speaker.
So, out of that little support there, put the tensioner back on. Now it actually looks straight.
Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside.
that was sick.